माई सेल्फ सोनिया सिंह, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर भारती कॉलेज। आज मैं आपके सामने जो ड्रग बताने जा रही हूँ वो है थिवेटिया। थिवेटिया जो हमारा प्लांट है, थिवेटिया प्लांट को हम why we use थिवेटिया प्लांट एज अ सोर्स ऑफ ड्रग और which diseases we use our थिवेटिया plant as a drug. So before starting the थिवेटिया plant, we discuss about their थिवेटिया plant, their character, their properties, how they look like थिवेटिया plant. So first we discuss about the plant. That थिवेटिया plant is a very common plant that we see our surrounding places, garden, homes. So that थिवेटिया plant is not a tree, not a small plant. It is a shrub-like tree, not much big, not much small. The shrub. So थिवेटिया is a shrub. Their height should be 450 to 600 centimeter tall. The थिवेटिया plant is height between the 450 to 600 centimeter tall. It is not more than that 600 centimeter tall. So that we talk about the height of a थिवेटिया plant. It is a shrub and its height between that 450 or between and 600 centimeter. Next we talk about their shape of their leaves. Its leaves is very thin and its length is 10 to 15 centimeter. Its length is between the 10 to 15 centimeter and their apex is acute. Acute is apex means their upper portion is known as acute and their upper portion is acute in nature. So this we talk about the leaf of थिवेटिया, character of थिवेटिया leaf. Next, this you show this is known as flower. Their flower is funnel-like, means this is the upper portion of flower. Basically, this flower is look like this. This is our portion. This is in here. This is flower is a funnel-like structure, and that flower is yellow in color. Flower which we see a flower, the flower is yellow in color, and that थिवेटिया plant is also contain a seed. This is the structure of seed, and seed is very hard in nature. Hard means when we touch, it is a hard in nature. That is not a soft in nature. Hard in nature, and it is a green in color. This is the color of that seed. So थिवेटिया plant is not a tree-like. It is a shrub-like, and its height is between the 450 to 600 centimeter tall. Its plant is tall between the 450 to 600 centimeter, and its leaf is apex is acute in nature, and they have a flower. Flower is a funnel-like structure, and that flower color is yellow in color, and it have a seed also. Seed is a hard in nature, and they are green in color. So here we all discuss about the morphology of a थिवेटिया plant. It is a very common plant and see our surrounding ever. And first next we go through the common name of थिवेटिया. थिवेटिया is also a synonym. That synonym is yellow oleander. Yellow oleander means their flower is yellow in color, so their synonym is yellow oleander. It's also another synonym is trumpet flower. And next is the lucky nut tree. Lucky nut tree means their seed is a form of nut, so their synonym is go through the lucky nut tree. So थिवेटिया plant have three synonyms. First one is tree. So these are the synonym, we call it synonym or the another name of Thevetia. Next we go through the next point, that is known as biological source. Biological source means which part of Thevetia plant we use as a drug, what is the source of that part, and its botanical name and its family, from which family Thevetia plant belongs. So we use a Thevetia, its seed we use a part, its seed we use, and its botanical name is Thevetia purpuana. Its botanical name is Thevetia purpuana and its family is Apocynaceae. Apocynaceae means that plant contain a flower, and all flower containing plant goes from the family, comes from the family is Apocynaceae. So that plant have a three character in biological source. We comes in a three parameter. First, from their part from which we collect, and second one their biological source, and third one is their family. So there is a 3 points comes in the biological source. So these are the biological source of Thevetia. And next we go through the next point, which one is their geographical source. Geographical source means from where we collect the Thevetia plant, or we can say that from which places Thevetia plant is cultivated more. So in West Indies, Florida, Hawaii, America, these are the places where Thevetia is cultivated in large amount, or from these places Thevetia we collected. So these are the geographical source of Thevetia. From their cultivation of Thevetia is more. Next we go through the morphology of Thevetia. Morphology of Thevetia means the plant of Thevetia, which part we use as a drug. So in Thevetia we use a seed as a source of a drug for treating some diseases or prevention of some diseases. So in morphology, the parameters come of seeds, their form of seeds, their taste, their order, their size, shape, color, these all come in the morphology. So here seed part is used. So we discuss here about the morphology of seed part. So the taste of seed is bitter in taste. Next, taste means their seed, if we taste their seed is bitter in taste. Next we go through the color. Color means what is the color of seed. So what is the color of seed means what color of seed. So here the seed is a green in color, means their seed is a green in color. So color is green. Next we go through the order. Order means if we smell a seed, their seed have some smell, but some smell that is known as odor. So here the seed of Thevetia, there is no smell, no odor. So here we write the odor is none, means there is no odor, no smell of Thevetia seed. Next we go through the shape. Shape means shape of seed. So shape of seed is oblong. Oblong means like round. So here the shape of seed is oblong and hard. Hard means when we touch, it is hard in nature. These all are the morphology of seed. What character of seed we discuss here about the characteristic of seed, or we can say that the morphology of seed. Next we go through the botanical name of their active chemical constituents of their seed, because we use as a Thibetia as a drug. So we use as a drug because of their some active chemical constituents present in that particular part of seeds. So which active constituent is responsible for their treating some diseases or prevention of some diseases? So here we discuss about the character of their active chemical constituent which is responsible for treating some diseases. So here Thibetia Thibetin B, these are the active chemical constituent, and Purpunoside, these three, Thibetia A, Thibetia B and Purpunoside, these are the main active chemical constituents which are present in the Thibetia plant. These are the main active main active components. So these are the main active ingredients which is responsible for the pharmacological activity of Thibetia. And these are the main active constituents, and these active constituents is used as a diseases. So this purpunoside is the active constituent, and this is used for treating a heart diseases whenever those who have a weak heart so these patients treat thibeoside as a drug. Next, Thibetia is used as a purgative, rheumatism and emetics. Means the Thibetia is used for diseases like weak heart problems suffering, purgative it is used, rheumatism it is used and emetic. So Thibetia is used in all these diseases person. Its seed has a very poisonous, and its plant is Thibetia is also a very poisonous plant. So today we discuss about the Thibetia, their Thibetia plant description and Thibetia plant description and its synonym. Here we discuss botanical, यहाँ पे biological source we discuss of Thibetia. Its seeds part we use. Its botanical name is Thibetia purpura. Its family is Apocynaceae. Here we use their biological source from where the Thibetia is present, and we discuss about here the shape, morphology of their seed which is used as a drug for active constituent, and main part is the Thibetia which is known as the active constituent, that is known as Thibetin A, Thibetin B and Purpunoside. These are the main active constituents which are responsible for treating some diseases, and the diseases is like heart, those who have weak heart, from where Thibetin be used. It is used as a purgative. Those who suffering from purgation problem, Thibetia is used. Those who have suffering from rheumatism, we use that, and those who are suffering from emetics, we use that Thibetia drug. Thank you.